Hey, good morning. It's Jay and Ina. Our first full day here in the Azores in San Miguel, and we are looking forward to exploring the beautiful Princess Rink and other things on this island. Can't wait to have a great exploratory day.
Yes, we're super excited to visit the Princess Ring today. The Princess Ring is a small islet that is right off the coast of San Miguel, and it's only about a 10-minute ferry ride to get there. It's really important if you're planning to go there to get your tickets in advance, because they're only allowing 400 visitors on the island every day and only 200 people at one time. So if you get there at the wrong time, you will stand in line and you'll wait for the ferry boat, or you may not be able to get tickets at all. So check out the link down below in the description box for more information on how to get your tickets in advance. So as predicted, there's already somewhat of a decent line in front of the ticket booth. Hopefully we can skip that booth because we already got our tickets in advance. We are next in line for the boat when it returns from the islet. As you approach the island, you will notice that it is surrounded by crystal clear waters, and you are quickly able to spot the volcanic crater rising out of the sea. This is what makes this islet so unique. The ancient crater looks like a giant ring surrounded by towering walls. As you step off the boat, you can feel the energy of the special place. The air is thick with the sound of birds and the smell of salt water. So we just arrived here. It was just about a 10 to 15 minute ferry ride. And this is the perfect day today to visit this island, or islet I should say. It is so gorgeous here. And there are not a lot of people here yet. You can see we have low tide, so that little spot over there turns into a beach that you can walk to. It will disappear later when the tide increases and it rises again. I think we're right around 1 p.m. It will disappear, but just a gorgeous day to visit this place. So here's the thing with seating. This is all lava rock, as you can see here. It's very edgy and it will hurt your feet and anything else if you fall here. It's very hard and it's very pokey. So there are these little seating divots that have been created over time. I'm not sure if it was by people or if it was by the weather, but you want to find a spot where you can put your towel or blanket, and then you should be pretty comfortable. The island is teeming with life, from the tiny fish swimming in the shallow waters, birds flying overhead, and little geckos feasting on cacti. Every step reveals a new surprise. The further you explore, the more you realize why this island is often called the Princess Ring. It's a natural wonder, a gem that has been hidden away for centuries. The views are breathtaking with every step. You can see the entire island spread out before you, a tiny jewel in the middle of the Atlantic. And then there is the piece de resistance, the chance to swim in the natural pool surrounded by the volcano's towering walls. It's an experience like no other, and one that you will never forget. The Princess Ring is an enchanting experience, one that will stay with you long after you leave the Azores. It's a reminder of the beauty and power of nature and the importance of preserving our planet's hidden gems. We stayed on the island about 2 hours, which we thought was an ideal amount of time, and then finished our visit with a few drinks and snacks. Note that you're not able to buy anything on the islet itself, so make sure you bring a few things with you. If you enjoyed this adventure as much as we did, share your thoughts in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you again very soon.